Why are you my phone? Why don't you just mind your fucking business?
Guys, get in a fight. Fight.
Excuse me. Oh shit. Excuse me. Can you get my cell phone back? Can you get my cell phone back? Can? Also, bitch. Oh, can you get my cell? I said, can you get my cell phone back?
You call me?
Whoa. Whoa. I didn't call you anything. I didn't call you anything. Angela, please, we're in front of people. Don't be black. Don't be black. Don't be black. Oh shit. Look at that booty.
You talking that shit when I walk away? Say something now.
Talking that shit. What you doing like this?
I'm talking to you. Okay.
What are you talking about? I didn't even say anything.
I know you did.
Hey, sexy.
Come on, guys.
Can I get my cell phone back? Like, really, I have to call my mom.
Your mom gonna call you. You ain't got nothing.
No, she doesn't know my phone is on. Remember, I didn't know my phone was on.
I just want to see her fight someone. Go fight him.
We're not gonna fight.
Fight him.
She'll get fucked up. You know what? She's just gonna get fucked up. She's just gonna get fucked
You
up.
talk too much.
She's just gonna get fucked up. She's gonna get fucked up. Don't let me take my glasses off. Don't let me take my glasses
You
off.
punch your glasses.
Punch my glasses off. Your titty's gonna. You're either gonna go back with one titty.
Yeah.
You gonna see Angel walking like, oh my god, she took my titty. I'm gonna make a glove out of your titty. You'll see me in the winter coming. Y'all, my hands is mad warm.
Oh, this is funny.
Gangster right here. You know. Sushi over pilot. Bosley pastrami. You know that you know the dangerous pastrami? You know the dangerous pastrami?
Yeah,
That's
I
me.
fold like that.
I fold. You know how they call me
You said
pastrami?
that same shit since high school.
You know how they call me pastrami? Guess how they call me pastrami? You know the meat pastrami? I know you know the meat pastrami. You eat the meat with the lettuce and shit, mayonnaise. You see how the way they fold the meat? My legs fold like that. That's not the only thing I fold like that, but you have to be a girl to see that. Jason saw it. Jason, he saw it. Look at his face right now. Jason saw it. He did. He liked it. He touched it. He smelled it. I actually think he licked it, but like, I don't know if he licked it. I don't really see it anymore. That's what they call it, pastrami. See that? See that picture? Right there.
So that shit?
She's gonna get fucked
Fold
up.
like this, right?
She's gonna get fucked up. She doesn't know who the fuck she is. Oh no. This bitch is good. I said witch. Alright? Hermione over there from Harry Potter. Get the fuck out of here, alright?
Stop me and look in your face. Stop.
No video to look. You ever saw Harry Potter versus Voldemort in the rap battle? Everybody saw that? Search it on YouTube.
I gotta end this.
Bye. Black guy.